Watch this before buying this phone. So I have been using the Samsung Galaxy M11 for the past 3 weeks right now, and these are the things you should know before removing your hard-earned money to buy this phone. Hi, how are you guys doing? Of course, it's your boy Fofana back again with another video, and today we are going over this phone's performance, designs and features to better help you understand if this phone is the right phone for you. So with that in mind, let's get into it. Okay, let's start with the design of the Samsung Galaxy M11. The phone features a large 6.4-inch LCD display with a screen resolution of 720 by 1560 pixels, 60Hz refresh rate, and can reach a maximum screen brightness of up to 450 nits, making it perfect for streaming videos and browsing the web. The phone is available in 3 colors: black, blue, and violet, giving you plenty of options to choose from. On the back of the phone, you will find the triple camera setup and a fingerprint scanner for added security. Overall, the design of the Samsung Galaxy M11 is sleek, modern, and lightweight. It weighs only 1.9 kg, making it easy to hold and portable. Okay, moving on to the features of the Samsung Galaxy M11. The phone comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor, 4GB of RAM, and 64GB of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 512GB with a micro SD card. The phone also features a 5000 mAh battery, which provides all-day battery life and supports 15 watts Type-C fast charging. One of the standing out features of the Samsung Galaxy M11 is its triple camera setup, which includes a 13-megapixel primary camera, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The phone also has a 8-megapixel front camera, which takes great selfies and can be used for video calls, which also acts as a face recognition technology to unlock your phone by simply looking at it. Okay, side note, one of the features that I like about the Samsung Galaxy M11 personally, it is Dolby Atmos feature, which allows me to listen to music immersively and enables me to listen to the footsteps of enemies, especially when I'm playing Free Fire. So yeah, that's personally me what I like about it, and I've talked about the Dolby Atmos feature also in my latest review in terms of the Oremo OR7. Go check it out, link in the description. Now let's talk about the performance of the Samsung Galaxy M11. The phone runs on Android 12 with Samsung One UI 4.1, which provides clean and user-friendly interface. The phone is quick and responsive thanks to its Snapdragon 450 processor. You will be able to play games multitask without any lag. The battery life of the Samsung Galaxy is also impressive, providing all-day battery life, depending on how you use it, of course. Judging by me, of course you guys know I'll be using this for gaming. I'm not gonna joke. I'm not lying. I'm gonna use it for gaming for sure, especially Call of Duty. Bruh, this phone is gonna die soon. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy M11 is a great budget smartphone with plenty of features and silky design. It's perfect for anyone who wants a reliable phone without breaking the bank. The phone triple camera setup and all-day battery life and user-friendly interface make it a great choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly smartphone. If you are in the market for a new smartphone, Samsung Galaxy M11 is one of the smartphones to be considered of. So yeah, that's my final view on the Samsung Galaxy M11. Thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like, it helps a lot with the algorithm, and if you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe to get more tech reviews like this and ring the notification bell. And yeah, thanks again for watching again. See you guys in the next one. Peace.